Hello everyone, hope you're doing really well. Hope your exams are going well. I know JEE का time है, parents का बहुत pressure रहेगा, and then your teachers are expecting a lot out of you. And these are tough times, but remember, you'll have a good story to tell to your friends once you know this entire thing gets over. Anyway, exams are important. It's not something that should be denied, but at the same time, don't over pressurize yourself. It's totally fine if you flunk your exams. मतलब लाइफ में बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो apart from exams, right? By the way, this video is brought to you by Zyro. Zyro is one of the best platforms to build websites. It's a simple drag and drop platform. You do not need to code a single line, and whenever you want to build websites real fast, if you do not want to waste time coding HTML, CSS and JavaScript, then you can just go to Zyro, take a template, drag and drop, make few changes, and there you go, you have a website already. If you're planning to start your own blog, e-commerce site, or if your own freelancing portfolio, then try out Zyro. It's one of the most affordable platforms out there, so check it out. Link is given in the description down below, and I'm pretty sure you'll love the platform. Today I want to talk a bit about my freelancing projects. I'll be showing you a few of my freelancing projects, and these are like a lot of comments that you have been putting up. And once I show these freelancing projects, I'll be telling you what my future plan is with some of them and how I want to take it forward. The purpose of this video is to just tell you guys about what I've worked on, so that even you guys get a brief idea about what kind of projects you can work on. At the end of the video, I'll be giving you 3-4 ideas that you can implement just in case you want to learn something and want to build something of your own. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright. The first project that I worked on, the first freelance project that I worked on, was for an American author from Los Angeles. I was making a book cover for her, and then eventually I got in touch with another person and I made a book cover for them as well. This is how the book cover looked like. I used Photoshop for it, and when I took the project, I had no clue about how to use Photoshop, and I learnt on the way. I googled up a lot of things. Adobe has a lot of tutorials, so you can go to those sites and learn Photoshop. At the same time, I used another tool called Canva, so there were a few parts which were pretty complex, and I did not want to use Photoshop for that. So for that, I used Canva, which is way simpler. So try Canva and Photoshop. That's what I used to make this project. Got paid around $200, and a lot of you are asking, how do you get clients, right? In this case, it was through a referral. So I asked a lot of people, hey, do you know someone who needs my service? Hey, do you know someone who needs my service? And eventually things matched up. I got in touch with these people and they gave me the project. So it's all about asking. Never be afraid to ask your friends. Never be afraid to ask your relatives or anyone. Just ask. Tell the world about what you're doing, and that's the only way, right? If you do not talk about your services, then how will people ever come to know that you make websites? अगर मैं कभी बताऊंगा ही नहीं कि मैं वेबसाइट बनाता हूँ, तो पड़ोस वाले आंटी को कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि मुझसे वेबसाइट बनवाना है, right? तो talk about your services, show your work. The second project that I worked on was a website which looked like this. Even that was for an American firm, and this website was made using a very simple tool called WordPress. So to make this website, I used WordPress, which is pretty similar to Zyro, drag and drop tool. And then once I imported a template into WordPress, I simply changed the text and made few changes. Apart from that, didn't do much, and I think I got paid around $100 for that website. Now you might be asking, how did I get the client? It was pretty simple. I contacted a friend who was running a digital marketing agency, and he already had clients, right? So this is called a strategic partnership. You partner up with people who need your service, right? So ये digital marketing agencies के पास बहुत सारे projects आते रहते हैं, and they just don't have people who can do these projects. उनको hire करना पड़ता है लोगों को. So you can just call up one of them and be like, hey, I know website design. Can I partner with you and do it for your clients? And if it's an agency that's growing very fast, अगर उनके पास बहुत सारे clients हैं और उनको handle नहीं करते आ रहा है, then they'll be more than happy to आपको client दे देंगे and they'll take a cut out of it. So that's how it works. So if you're into graphic designing, you can start contacting people and be like, hey, I'm into graphic designing. If you need people, let me know. I can take some of your work and lessen your burden. If you're into web development, digital marketing agencies or web development agencies को approach करो and be like, hey, can I take some of your work? So it's as simple as that. That's called strategic partnerships. Then while making websites for these companies, I realized that hey, there is a demand for something new called chatbot, and I started learning about chatbots. I started reading a lot of blogs. Remember, blogs is very important. To Medium पे जाना and read a lot of blogs about what's happening around the world, and also be on Twitter. Twitter is also a great indicator about what future trends could be. Alright, so I knew that chatbots is going to be something pretty big in the future, and I started working towards it. And then I came across this platform called Chatfuel, which is a no-code platform, which is used to build messenger chatbots. And I took this platform and I was like, hey, I need to approach clients, and I need to be like, can I build a chatbot for you? You'll start getting more leads. You'll not waste time in typing. The chatbot can do the work for you. In a way, you'll be automating a business. That was my pitch. I made a pitch deck, and then at this point, I was tired of working alone. अकेले काम करने में बहुत बोर होता है. So I formed a team. So team as in me and my friend. I approached a friend. I was like, "Hey, dude, help me in selling this service." He believed in my idea. My co-founder Shreyans and me just started out. We used to cold call businesses. We used to email them, and eventually we landed up making bots for e-commerce sites, fertility clinics, and hotels. So these are a few screenshots of the bots that we made, and after a while we were like, hey, right now we're using someone else's platform to build the bot, why not build our own platform? And that's when we got in the space of WhatsApp bots. So we started building a platform wherein कोई भी आ सकता है और खुद का WhatsApp bot बना सकता है. तो अगर WhatsApp पे chat bot बनाना है, अगर किसी को shopping करनी है WhatsApp पे, then they can make a bot on the platform. So we built that entire platform from code, from scratch. And this was only possible because of my other co-founder Keenan, whom I met later, because वो भी chatbot के space में था. He had interned in companies like government के साथ. He had interned to make WhatsApp chatbots. So we got Keenan on board, and we were like, hey Keenan, let's build a platform. He helped us with the tech part. Even I knew a bit of tech, and then Shreyans helped us in selling the services. So it did take off, but then we had few issues with like थोड़ी सी technicalities के issues आ गए थे, vendor वगैरह के issues आ गए थे. Then now what we're planning to do is become like a marketplace on WhatsApp. So we'll be hosting other sellers on WhatsApp हमारे through, and we'll be helping them sell on WhatsApp. So that's the plan for now. I'll attach a few screenshots of the dashboard. It looks like this, and this is how we built the entire thing. Abhi, you'll be like, hey, how do you build the dashboard? The entire dashboard was built using the MERN stack. M stands for MongoDB, E stands for Express, R stands for React, and N stands for Node.js. So if you know MERN stack, then building such applications becomes very easy. And if you're someone who's willing to get into web development or making web apps or even making Android apps, then learning MERN stack is super important. So try. We are working towards it. We are putting out good courses. We are putting out good resources on the Cliniify website. We're still working on it. So stay tuned for that. So there was this healthcare company in the US. They were trying to come to India, and they wanted me to do like a survey. So they ran a Facebook ad. They had some leads. I had to call them up and be like, hey, do you want the product? I had to literally do telesales. I was paid 10,000 rupees for making around 200 calls, and it was fun. While I was making YouTube videos, I got few opportunities in terms of freelancing. So I was contacted by a few companies who were like, hey, I like the way you talk in your videos. I mean, I'm not sure about that, but they were like, hey, I like the way you talk in your videos. Your content is pretty good. Can you make videos for our company? And they were ready to offer pretty heavy sums. So it could be around 5,000 rupees per video. So it could be a 5-minute video which I'm making, and I can get paid around $100 for just making that video. I did not take up that offer. I've been getting a lot of offers since then, like a lot of companies wanting me to make videos for them. It's a lucrative opportunity. If you guys are interested, if you guys are making YouTube videos, then you can approach a lot of these companies. A lot of companies want to make YouTube videos because video marketing is the future, right? Video jitna engaging kuch hai hi nahi. So if you're someone who's good at talking to cameras, then take up these opportunities. I rejected these opportunities because I did not have time. But I've told this before also, I got my first internship through my YouTube video. So I used to make videos about business ideas and business tips and stuff. And Pushstart, one of the companies, the founder saw the video and he was like, hey, you make decent videos. They weren't that great, but he fortunately hired me and I interned at Pushstart during my first day summer vacation. Now, let me get to the point. We are building something called Cliniify. So you guys must be either part of my newsletter. If you aren't, please subscribe. You guys might be maybe part of the Telegram group or the Discord channel. All these three mediums are amazing for learning. We are building this really healthy community of millennials who are driven, who want to do something crazy in life, and we are giving them the tools, right? So you get the community. If you want to learn something, we provide you some resources in the newsletter, and also in the community, if you ask in the Telegram group, where can I learn this from, where can I learn that from, then people will be sharing tons of links and stuff. And also in the Discord group, you can have voice chat, which is like a crazy feature. You can talk with your friends every day at 5 p.m. people meet on the voice chat on Discord and talk in English and learn public speaking, which is an amazing thing that's happening. They have really productive discussions. And I really hate social media. I don't like Instagram. My feed is trash. I don't like Facebook per se. And instead of consuming really toxic content on social media, I'm not saying every content is toxic, but I believe that this community that we're creating, Plenify, it'll just give you a lot more in life. It'll help you grow. It'll help you learn a lot of things compared to just being stranded out there on the internet. So we are trying to bring in everything that a college student needs. It could be internships, it could be events that are happening around in top colleges, it could be roadmaps about how you can take up a particular career path. Everything in one single place. Stay tuned for that. That's a side project that I'm building. And yeah, Discord group, Telegram group, WhatsApp, everything, all of that is free. So the response has been great. We have around 10,000 students on the community as of now, and people are just loving it. So why not continue doing this, right? So this is something that I'm doing on the side, and I'm really proud of the community that we have built together. So let's keep doing, let's keep learning. And let me tell you this, a few weeks back I was reading this book called Swipe to Unlock, and over there they said with AI and automation, a lot of unskilled, low education jobs would go away. So they'll just be unemployed. But at the same time, a lot of skilled jobs would be created. So there'll be a shortage of skilled labor. And I think me, the community, my co-founders, it's our responsibility to make you guys skilled so that you guys can go capitalize and get those skilled jobs, which is the future, of course, right? So that's what we are planning to do, and that's something that's happening on the side. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Do join our communities. We're working really hard to make it a very healthy community where people support each other and it helps you grow a lot. I'll see you in the next one, and until then, take care and be safe and give your exams well if you're giving exams.